Do you know what type of cyclist you are? Do you know what sets you apart from world-class athletes? This video will show you how to use the cycling ability feature to determine your rider type, and how to assess whether your current cycling ability is up to the challenge of a particular course. Your cycling ability profile considers combinations of your VO2 max, power curve data, recent and longer-term training load distributions along with the intensity and duration of relevant rides. Therefore, before determining your cycling ability, you must provide the device with accurate user information, 7 days of training records, VO2 max data, and power curve data obtained from a power meter. After each training session, your compatible device will provide information about the results of this training and categorize these results into 3 factors: aerobic endurance, aerobic capacity, and anaerobic capacity. The benefits of aerobic training: 1. Develops aerobic energy production. 2. Utilizes fat for energy. 3. Provides endurance and stamina. 4. Offers prolonged performance capacity. The benefits of anaerobic training: 1. Develops anaerobic energy production. 2. Includes improved sprinting abilities. 3. Provides fatigue resistance. 4. Offers maximal performance capacity. Your cycling ability will be assessed based on your performance in these 3 categories to determine which type you currently belong to. Full marks in a category reflect world-class ability. Through long-term monitoring and analysis, your cycling ability will be classified into one of the following rider types: Challenger, All-rounder, Endurance Specialist, Road Sprinter, Flat Specialist, Climber, Puncher, Sprinter. Once you've determined your current rider type, you can continue to improve your abilities or even shift your ability profile through your training program. You can assess whether you have sufficient ability to take on this course through the View Courses feature in the Cycling Ability glance. In the home screen, scroll to view the Cycling Ability glance. Here, you can see which rider type you currently are. Select Cycling Ability. Here, you can see your current performance statuses. Select View Analysis. Here, you can see the suggestions provided by the device. Select View Courses. If you don't see any courses, please first import the courses you want to evaluate. For instructions on course drawing and transfer methods, please refer to other related videos. Select a course. Scroll down, select Course Demands. The black line represents the recommended ability value for tackling this course. If your ability value hasn't reached the requirement, it doesn't mean you can't complete the course. It simply indicates that when you take on this course with lower ability, it may require more time and effort to complete. Never stop cycling. Introduce the rider you are today to the one you'll be tomorrow. That's it. Thank you for watching.